Hello everyone. Welcome to the Hindu editorial vocabulary series. Today's Hindu editorial title is Trouble in Bangladesh on attacks against Hindus. The first word is condemned, means something which is not good for practice or use. That act is condemned. Violence is condemned. Majoritarian means believing the majority people's belief. That is called as majoritarian. Conspiracy is planning secretly to do something bad. Instigate means initiating something which is something to do, that is especially bad things. Allegedly means they they say that is looks, it looks like a genuine, it looks like a genuine, but that's not genuine. They spread it as a genuine or a very uh, a real one, but it is not real. Preserve means maintain the that for a long time, the same condition. Preserve the relations, preserve the conditions, preserve the pickles. Like, eluding means mentioning the that without describing or talking. In that way, you call as a eluding. Intervene means involving into the incident. Taking part of it is called as intervene. Grip means having a control or strong control over the something is called as grip. Cautiously means deliberately involved by avoiding the problems or difficulties, that is called as cautiously. Compassion means sympathy, an act of showing a sympathy or pity. Interference means involvement. Widespread means universal, uh, large area or large people are affected or involved, that is called as widespread. Protest means showing or reflecting an objection to something done or said. We do protest for hike in petrol prices or diesel prices or some law, some, that is what is protest. Flight means difficult condition or unfortunate situations. Partisan means strong support. Fake means not genuine or counterfeit. Looks like a original but not original. Violence means intent, using the physical forces intended to hurt someone or damage something is called as violence. So these are the words which are very important to understand the today's Hindu editorial titled Trouble in Bangladesh on attacks against Hindus. If at all you like it, just subscribe for regular updates. Thank you all.